I've said before that the culture and climate of our kids is always going to be dependent on the culture and climate that's dictated by the adults. Are we having fun? Are we walking in there every day saying, this is a great place to be, I love this? And sometimes that might not feel like it. And we're going to have ups and downs in our days. And we have, all our buildings are wonderful and we're happy and there are colleagues together. But I want you to really think about the culture. And oftentimes we put together programs like behavior programs, or we put together behavior protocols, or documenting behavior and data systems. And we put all these kind of things into place because that's standard operating procedure, academic types of things, what we're being responsible for from day to day. And so those things are really important. But why do those things not work as well as we'd like them to? I really think, my gut really tells me that it always is going to be dependent on our culture. Like some of the hard work that we have to do, I think would be a lot easier if we really would just sit back, take a little time to walk around and say, hey, are we having fun?